So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So GBP US dollar. So GBP USD has literally given us this movement right here. It is dropping. So our next movement on GBP USD will be another bullish move that will eventually push up to take out this high. Why are we going to be expecting this movement is what I will let you guys to know now. But first, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. So in the Telegram channel, I'm going to give you guys an update, right? In order for you not to miss out on that update, all you just need to do is follow the Telegram. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So click on the link, follow the Telegram to stay updated. Now, let's start with our trend before we take a trade. We would want to know the trend of that trade. And we can see here that our GBP USD is in an uptrend move. You know that rule that applies to say that says trade with the trend, not against the trend. Always trade with your trend, and we can clearly see that this is trending upward. Now, if this is your high on GBP USD, this is also seen as your higher low, and here is the higher high. This is the higher low, right? This is also seen as the higher high, and here comes the higher low. This after this is now an higher high, here comes the higher low right now. This is also a new higher high, right? And here comes the higher low right now. So with this higher low, we would be expecting market to give us a bullish move that will eventually form a new higher high. That is for the long term, not right now, right? Not now, right now. In the long term, we will be expecting market to give us an higher high, especially if you are a position trader. You would like to hold your position for the next 2 to 3 months, then you would be anticipating for an higher high movement, right? Or a bullish move. But since this for our day traders right here, since market is literally dropping, right? For day trader, you would want to wait for your pullback and one more sell. This movement is really for day trader, but if you are a swing trader or a position trader and you would like to hold your position for the next 2 to 3 months, go in for your buy on your GBP USD. Remember, depends on the type of trader you are. If you are a long-term trader, you would want to hold your position for the next 1 month or 2 months or even possibly 3 months, go in for your buy. But if you're a day trader that would like to opt in and opt out of your position in that same day, right? Wait for your market to pull back and guess what? Hoping for another sell because market is still selling just for now. Then once market finish selling, once the sell finish, we will see a buy setup that will eventually continue to push up and take out this high. So any updates, right? More updates will be covered on this and it will be shared in the Telegram. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.